Hello, how are you? I hope that everything is be okay. So let's create our last layer for application. Your name is exactly application. So for the models namespace, we are creating a new folder. The name application. And for my let's create an out from infrastructure. Let's create and the root application, the application folder. Application. Good. So back from my models interfaces. Oh, application is inside for interfaces. So move for inside, okay? The interfaces. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's only interface level because every interface is declared in only one place, separated, organized by the layers, okay? So let's create our application. Add a new item, and we are creating the interface type. I created my product application. Good. In my application, it's very simple because basically we have this same operation, full service. Let's access the service. I created this, the copy, that's for application, but we have some difference. So I pass for this application DTO object control dot. For update is the same thing. For delete is not change the things. In return is MDTO. Right. In my list, return a collection of DTO. That's in my application. Good. So if I am building the things using this Ctrl-Shift-B or clicking the build solution, we receive some errors because we have to change the things for the controller because we have some errors, but for now, let's implement the class for our interface application. So looking, that's its application. And a new class. I have this product application, but I need the correct name. It's product application implementation. Sorry. Okay. So let's implement this interface. Dot point control dot add reference control dot again to create our methods, and we are using this application to access the services layers from infrastructure. Okay, so let's create this private read only product service dot add reference, and I call this like a service. For implementing the dependency injection, the place is our constructor. Very nice. I created the constructor to initializing my class. The service I'm using is underscore my object for class and pass information. Nice. Good. So now let's implement the creating. I remove this. It's the try catch exception to get something is wrong. And now we receive the product, but to use our service, we need to pass entity object, right? So before using the service, we need to implement the convert using our product convert operation, convert to entity. Very nice. So I created the object product and I need the ID reference again. Dots. My object is entity. Receive the converter operation for my product. Now, to creating, we have the operation implemented. Let me collapse everything. If I back for my entity, you're already creating this operation to creating configs to define the date time in set file, set products like active. Okay, so we are invoking this method for my entity. Great. Cool, very nice. And now we are invoking the service using the create method. Pass my object configured and change for entity and using my roles and business roles. Finally, it's creating the product for us in the database. Good. So let's implement in the delete. Let's using the same structure to try catch to get some errors. And I will be copy this structure base pass for every other method like this, and this. So for create is okay. For delete, we need to invoke the service. Pass invoking the delete, pass the parameter ID. Only this. Perfect. For get, we have invoked the service to get by ID as a parameter, but we are received a list of product. Products. And let's see. Oh, it's only object, not list. Sorry. Receive only one item. Product. And I need to convert this from DTO, okay, to return for my method. So the product have the operation convert to DTO. And I could be using this return writing things, or if I need when I will be implementing the debug to test the things. To have this object to verify the things, okay? What's the type? Right, the type is DTO, sorry. Finally, return result. Good. My get implemented. Get list. Service. Get invoke get list. I have a list of product. Call products. Oops, sorry, wrong test. Correcting. Now we are converted to DTO product collection. So my result is receiving by my products. I'm using the product class because it's static, okay, so I don't need the object for using, and I'm using the convert to DTO list, passing like parameter my entity collection products. Very nice. So I return the result for my get list. Next, to update, I need to convert my product to entity. So I convert to entity, pass it for a new object, product, updated, to update it, right? And we have the like and the creating. I have the updating. Oh, oops. Create. Oh no, we are creating only for the roles for creating and delete. Okay. Go ahead. That's it. Rename the name, update and upgrade. Or entity is better. Good. So now I call my service. In my service, I have the service, I have the operation to update entity. Good. Very nice. So implementing everything that I needed to my application layer, inclusive implementing the translator or converter, the class to DTO for us. Good. So in the next video, that's in working writing my controller to access the application, but before we don't forgetting the configure the startup application class. So copy this, going to startup class, and we are creating this after my service. I created a service, add scope, insert the first interface, second the class, using control dot again. Whew. Now everything's implemented for layers for my application. Good. So I'll see you in the next video I have for you. Have a nice day and bye.